Arthur Warren founded Warren Industries in 1948 after inventing the world's first locking hub. At the same time, Americans across the country were exploring logging roads and forest trails in their World War II surplus Jeeps. These outdoor adventurers found Warren's revolutionary hub design to be the perfect aftermarket accessory. With two simple turns, the locking hub transformed their off-road machines into useful on-road vehicles. As the four-wheeling scene grew, Warren continued to develop innovative products, like the first recreational winch in 1959. That allowed owners to push their vehicles beyond what was previously thought possible. The Warren brand quickly developed a loyal following among off-road racers, four-wheelers, and ranchers. After early triumphs in the aftermarket industry, Warren expanded its manufacturing capacity and began providing new vehicle parts for American auto companies. As its reputation for quality and performance grew, automobile manufacturers from all over the world included American-made Warren components in their vehicles. In 2002, Warren introduced its latest innovation, a line of utility winches, a line of tools that brought portable Warren power to professionals and do-it-yourselfers. As Warren Industries moves into the future, it continues to seek new areas to apply its unique brand of innovation. Warren's march to the top of the market would not have been possible without a real commitment to producing products of the highest caliber. These advances in design allowed Warren to introduce its market-leading line of products to countries all over the world, allowing off-road enthusiasts to go places that were not explored before. Through manufacturing and production facilities in Clackamas and Milwaukee, Oregon, and partnerships across the globe, Warren now serves customers in over 65 countries and 6 continents. Warren's superior work has been awarded time and time again. In the 1990s, Warren Industries implemented just-in-time manufacturing principles into its production systems, achieving the ISO 9001 and QS 9000 registrations not long after. With a dedication to American engineering and manufacturing, Warren went on to achieve Ford Q1 status, recognizing excellence in competent systems, constant improvements, enduring performance, and satisfied customers. Over the last 60 years, Warren has partnered with industry giants such as Ford, General Motors, Chrysler, Toyota, and others.
On the farm, I use them for a lot of different things. Occasionally I get stuck, and that's their primary use, is to get yourself out of a stuck situation. We rely on our equipment to keep the farm functioning.
We use Warren winches to secure vehicles, to open doors for access to patients.
So I've used Warren products in Washington, Oregon, California, Idaho, Texas. When I do what you're not supposed to do and go out alone, I'm confident that the Warren product will get me out of my situations.
Warren's products have continued to
So you've secured cable or strap to your Dutton-Lainson pulling, brake, electric, or worm gear winch and are ready to wind it onto the reel. But does it matter if the cable or strap comes over the top of the reel or under the bottom between the reel and the winch base? It definitely matters, as winding cable or strap on your winch in the wrong orientation will cause its ratchet or braking system to not function properly, and it will not hold your load. The way you orient the cable or strap, however, does vary by the model of winch you have. Cable or strap should come over the top of the reel on all worm gear winches, along with all DL brake winches, except for the DLB 2500A and the B3503, where it should go under the bottom of the reel. On strong arm electric winches, orient your cable or strap to go over the top of the winch reel on SA 5000s, 7000s, and the TW 4000 and 4015. Your cable or strap should go under the bottom of the winch reel on SA 9000s, 12000s, and the TW 9000 and 9015. Pulling winch models DL 400 through DL 1300A and DL 3500Bs should always have cable or strap coming over the top of their reel, while DL 1402As through DL 3200As and all DLX models are a special case. Almost everyone has cable or strap go over the top of the reel on these winches, but flipping the direction of the reversible ratchet lever allows for the cable or strap to be changed to going under the bottom of it between the reel and the base. No matter what type or model of winch you have, be sure you correctly orient the cable or strap on its reel to ensure safe operation.
This rugged, ultra-portable drill winch from Warren Industries is perfect for pulling vehicles onto trailers, stretching fences, dragging game, standing walls, and countless other odd jobs. Easy to use and available with steel or synthetic rope, this incredibly versatile and reliable winch is capable of pulling up to 750 pounds. Powered by a handheld drill, it's a toolbox must-have. It's how one does the work of two.
Insist on quality. Insist on value. Insist that the equipment you need is available when you need it. Insist on a partner who takes pride in the products they manufacture, the way they manufacture them, and the place they call home. Insist on the integrity of American craftsmanship. Insist on relentless attention to detail. Insist that your equipment starts with the highest quality materials and that skilled craftsmen, using state-of-the-art tools, cut it, bend it, shape it, weld it, and put on the finishing touches. Insist that things be done the way they should be done and the way they ought to be done. Insist on stringent testing and on products that meet the most rigorous specifications. Yours. Insist on innovation, on engineers that don't believe in good enough, folks that spend their mornings drafting, their afternoons testing, and their evenings combing the web for customer feedback, who hear your suggestions and get to work, who design the best products on the market and get them to you.
Dutton-Lainson Company's zinc-plated tough plate finish is applied to all of our plated products, including winches, tongue jacks, and couplers, and to much of the hardware on our painted products. It resists corrosion 3 times longer than standard zinc plating and offers 30% greater corrosion resistance compared to powder-coated finishes. The 3-step application process begins with an extra thick layer of zinc, followed by a trivalent chrome conversion layer for brightness and additional protection. A high-quality sealer is then applied for a final barrier to corrosion. 5% neutral salt spray tests confirm that our tough plate finish provides in excess of 500 hours against first red rust and in excess of 100 hours for first white corrosion. A superior finish standard on all of our plated products. That's the Dutton-Lainson difference.